Hello dear students, in this video we will do exercises of lesson 4 adjectives. Here in this paragraph some words are highlighted and you have to tell that what kind of adjective are they. Okay, so Kolkata is my city. My is possessive adjective. Kolkata is a big city, big quality. It stand on the left bank. Left is also adjective of quality. Bank of the beautiful river. Beautiful is also adjective of quality. This river. This is demonstrative adjective. This river is a tributary of the Gangas. The river usually has enough. Enough is adjective of quantity. Then Kolkata has 2 railway stations. 2 is adjective of number, that is definite numeral adjective you can say. And next there are many monuments in the city. So many is indefinite numeral adjective. Okay, indefinite numeral adjective. And each here is distributive adjective. Then monument is quite stunning. Which monument is my favorite? Which is interrogative adjective. Exercise A, here we have to underline the adjective and then we have to write those adjectives in these columns which is given in next page. Okay. So let us see. First number, the teacher could sense that there was something fishy going on in the back bench. So fishy is adjective of quality and back is also adjective of quality. So you will underline it here and then you will write it in the column of adjective of quality. Fishy and back both. Second number, Ronit prepared a beautiful chart. So beautiful is also adjective of quality. Third number, the incessant rain. What is incessant? Incessant is continuous rain. Okay. So an incessant is adjective of quality. Then fourth number, those sweets. So those is demonstrative adjective. Those sweets in the third row are made from dry fruits. So third is definite numeral adjective, or you can write adjective of number. Okay. Then dry is adjective of quality. Fifth number, the salted peanut and the tangy chips were a treat for my taste buds. So here salted and tangy both are adjective of quality. Sixth number, the naughty black cat was playing happily with the owlet. So naughty black is adjective of quality. Seventh number, which fruit is your favorite? Which is interrogative adjective. Eighth number, I visited their house while I was passing through the city. So there is possessive adjective. 9 number, I have bought enough supplies to last me a week. So here enough is adjective of quantity. 10 number, every household in my locality has contributed generously for the cause. So here every is distributive numeral adjective. Okay, distributive numeral adjective, and my is possessive adjective. 11 number, those tourists booked tickets for an hour-long scenic cruise along the Mandovi River aboard a cruise ship. So those is demonstrative adjective and scenic means scenery. Okay, scenic is adjective of quality. Okay, and cruise is again adjective of quality. Then 12 number, John handled the DC situation with great tact. So here DC and great both are adjective of quality. Exercise B, in this passage you have to circle the adjectives and underline the noun they describe. Okay. So we entered through the open. Open here is adjective and gate is noun. into a large square courtyard. Large square adjective and courtyard noun. No less than 50 horses, 50 adjective, horses noun, were lined up for the Raja's annual parade. Annual adjective, parade noun. The saddle seat, so saddle adjective and seats noun, of these splendid animals, splendid adjective, animals noun, were covered with silken clothes. Silken adjective, cloth noun. The enormous, mention, enormous adjective, mention noun, had four minarets. Four minarets, four adjective, minarets noun, and broad balconies. Broad adjective, balconies noun. These were now bedecked with jasmine garland. Jasmine adjective, garland noun. Twinkling bulbs. Twinkling adjective, bulbs noun, of many hues. So many adjective, hues noun, added to the charm of the surroundings. Members of the household, aged grandmas. Aged adjective, grandmas noun. Tiny toddlers. Tiny adjective, toddlers noun. And rugged men. Rugged adjective, men noun, were all going to participate in the day's events. The Raja in his oriental attire. Oriental adjective, attire noun, and ancestral jewelry. Ancestral adjective, jewelry noun, stepped into the courtyard at 9 a.m. His loyal retainers. Loyal adjective, retainers noun, rushed to greet him. A large retinue of servants. Large adjective, retinue noun, okay, of servants stood to attention. It was a spectacular, unforgettable event in my life. Next is exercise C. Here we have to write the adjective forms of the highlighted noun given in sentences. First one already done. Second, let's see. He behaved like a child. So answer will be, he behaved in a childish manner. Third, he spoke with bluntness. Bluntness, okay. Answer, he spoke in a blunt manner. Fourth number, London is a city with a large population. Answer, London is a very populous city. Fifth number, you must deal with the situation boldly. So answer, you must be bold while dealing with the situation. Number 6, you should maintain silence in the library. Answer, you should be silent in the library. 7 number, you have the freedom to do what you wish. So answer, you are free to do what you wish. 8 number, the children are playing happily in the park. Answer, the children are happy playing in the park. 9 number, we hoped that the deal would be clinched soon. So answer, we were hopeful that the deal would be clinched soon. 10 number, I was impressed by the wildness of the surroundings. Answer, I was impressed by the wild surroundings. 11 number, I was impressed by Giant's determination to succeed. Answer, I found Giant's determination to succeed impressive. 12 number, the teenagers bravely decided to solve the mystery of the haunted castle. Answer, the brave teenagers decided to solve the mystery of the haunted castle. Exercise D. Use the opposites of the words given in the box to complete these sentences. Here some words are given in the box and we have to write the opposite word of those words to complete the sentences. Okay. So first one, this dash knife is useless. So here we will write opposite of sharp, that is blunt. This blunt knife is useless. Second, yuck, this food tastes dash. So here we will write opposite of wonderful, that is awful. This food tastes awful. Third number, turn off the radio, it's very dash. So here we will write opposite of pleasing, that is displeasing. Fourth number, the prince lived in a dash castle. Here we will write opposite of hideous, that is beautiful. Fifth number, I was dashed by the antics of the kittens. So here we will write opposite of annoyed, that is pleased. I was pleased by the antics of the kittens. Sixth number, the dwarf lived in an dash cottage. So in sixth number we will write opposite of modern, that is ancient. Seventh number, I can't read further. This is a rather dash story. So here we will write opposite of interesting, that is boring. Next is number 8. The dash designs on this fabric are difficult to copy. So now here we will write opposite of simple, that is intricate. 9 number, the dash waters of the rivulet made rowing impossible. So here we will write opposite of calm, that is turbulent. 10 number, the actor organized a dash screening of his film for a select audience. So your answer will be private, opposite of public. Okay. Next is exercise E. Now we will select words from this given box and complete the letter. Okay. So sorry for not having written recently, but I haven't had much time. I have visited a few cities during the month. The last town I visited was Agra, where I met some college friends of yours. They were touring that part of the country. They wanted me to give them a little advice on the mode of transport. I told them that they could take any of the roads to Jaipur. You see, all trains to Jaipur had been cancelled that day. The oldest member of the group wanted to know the name of the nearest town where they could halt for the night on the way to Jaipur. It was getting late, so I asked them to leave without any delay. I really liked them a lot. Few people are so friendly these days. I am really tired now. I could do with some sleep. Hope to meet you soon. So in this way, you can practice all these exercises. Thank you.